Hey, my name is Gene Smith, Remax Terrasol, and I am so excited to present to you 1340 Mayapan here in luscious, lovely LaHabra Heights. This is a beautiful mid-century classic that is a treat for the eyes and all the senses. Come on in, let's check it out. This single-level classic was built in 1961, features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just about 1,932 square feet. And the best thing about it, it's on over an acre parcel, lovely landscaping everywhere, and views that are to die for. Imagine this as one of your primary entertaining spaces.